Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome back to today's class. Today, as you are seeing it on the board, you will see example 2. Before we solved some examples before, though the last example we named it example 1, but before that we made some explanation and we solved many things before. Today's example says what? It says today is Wednesday, but this one it is just by assumption. Let's assume today it is Wednesday. Now, what day of the week will it be in the next 160 days? We are still under counting. And we are still under basis of counting also. Remember, we are still in base 7. Because once we hear something week, we all know that 1 week is 7 days. So group of 7, we are just doing counting in group of 7. Now let us start the solution of this simple question. But as I said earlier, this one is just an assumption. Assuming today is Wednesday, what day of the week will it be in the next 160 days? How can we solve this simple question? So let us start, please. The easiest way on how to solve this question is, since this number it is given in days, let us group it, or let us convert it into maybe week and days. Because if we convert it into week and days, we will find it maybe simple to get the day direct, because the day given it is Wednesday. We want to know in the next 160 days, that is after we convert it into week and days, it will fall on which day. Let us begin. As I said, the easiest way on how to solve this one is just to convert the days into week and days. And how can we do that? We just say 160 divided by 7. And this answer will be what? 7 and 7 will give 1. 7 in 1, it cannot go. It is allowed to join two numbers. Now, if I join these two numbers, it will give 16. How many 7 can go into 16? 7 in 16, I think it will give 2. Remainder 2. The remainder, just attach it close to this last digit. Now, this 2 and 0 gives 20. Now, 7 in 20 again. 7 in 20 will also give 2 because it is not up to 3. But there is a remainder of what? Of 6. Yes, remainder 6. Now 160 divided by 7 will give 22, remainder 6. Meaning that 160 days, if we convert it into week and days, it will give 22 weeks plus 6 days. But I just telling the R, because that R it is just a remainder that is in the normal calculation. But since we are dealing with week and days, that remainder, since it is not up to a week, so it must be under days now. Now, if today is Wednesday, after 1 week, it will still fall on that Wednesday. After 2 weeks, it will still fall on that Wednesday. After 3 weeks, the same thing. After 10 weeks, if today is Wednesday, after 10 weeks, it will still fall on that same Wednesday. So this means after 22 weeks, it will still fall on that same Wednesday. So now, this one will still fall on Wednesday. Then Wednesday plus 6 days. Wednesday plus 6 days will give Tuesday. Or you can say, assuming this one it is 7 days. Wednesday plus 7 days, it will still give Wednesday. But 6 days, it is just like saying 7 but remove 1. So if I said Wednesday and I remove 1 day from Wednesday, it will be Tuesday. So Wednesday plus 6 days will give Tuesday. Meaning that if today is Wednesday, after 160 days, the day will fall on Tuesday. So this is the solution of it. But please try and study this one again so that you understand it more and more and more. Thank you very much. May God help you. May God help us. May God help everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you.